And if you can't see me properly, or see the content properly, you can go to settings, so tap the three dots if you're on your computer, and if you're on your phone, the three dots, computer go to settings, and you can up your resolution to 2164K so you can see me clearly. Alright? So we're doing a forest drive. We're in the middle of a forest here in Guinea-Bissau, Rabbis, and then you turn off and then we're in the forest. So here we are in the forest. I'm going to give you a forest drive. Enjoy. It's raining, so there may be some spots on the camera. Bear with me. It's a forest. It's raining. What can I do? Enjoy.
Yes, so we have entered. Like I say, they're going to do some spots on the camera. I am in, this on my left is actually a hotel. So when you come to Prados, you can come over here and rent the hotel so you can go back. And so that on my left is actually a hotel. Someone was telling me to go there. Maybe I should go there. I should. See, good thing my camera is high. I can see inside of it. That's how it looks. I need to go there. Well, someone should take me there. I think I'm a special person. You know, but yeah, so here we are driving along. Sputtering, or as I should say, sputtering along. The road is actually good, you know. Compare. You know what it is for me? I personally like driving on mud roads than on a bad asphalt road. Because when you're driving a bad asphalt road, it is bad. A lot of sharp edges, you know, and when they're deep. And some of them is a pay off on you, but with the mud, we're driving on dirt road like this will be, you know, in summer, this will be kicking up dust. This will be a dusty road. Hey, look at that goat on the right. And your goat. Family. Yeah, so I tend to like driving on road like this. You can call it mud. It's not muddy. Because muddy, you will get stuck. It's wet. That's the best I can put it that way. It's a wet road. For me personally, I like driving on roads like this. And it's smoother than the hard asphalt. And as you see on my left and right, nothing but cashew. And who haven't known, Guinea-Bissau is the second largest exporter of cashew. So here we have cashew, pebble. Pebble was made that bad, you know. If you look from the view from on top, the mud doesn't look bad. Yes, so the name here of this branch, I don't know what it is. Yeah. There's a sheep or goat on the and then there's a chicken in there, right? Almost hit that chicken. And some further. So, you know, there are people that's living inside of here. And they're having a business. Because honestly, for me, I would live in here. Because you wouldn't have to go to the shop and buy everything. A lot of stuff in the bush. A lot of fruits in the bush. So I would live here. And then some of you are like, but the road, it's not asphalt, it's not concrete. I can't live there. I need my electricity 24 hours. No, you can't need electricity 24 hours. Because electricity 24 hours, your phone and your tablet. Let's just be honest. You just need to have your phone charged. So you just discipline yourself. That mango tree I must lick off my camera. No, it's not the mango tree's fault, it's my fault. I should have moved the camera and not have the mango tree hit it off as I'm passing through a football pitch. Look at a nice football pitch. These houses you see on the left here, and it's kind of a nice football pitch. So this is where your future African footballers can play football, and this is why they're so big when they come to you or worldwide. So over here now, yeah, like I was saying, these houses on the right, you see them here, they're made of clay bricks, and actually when it's hot, inside of these houses are cool. Yeah. If some of you have houses that are made of wood, that the wind would come and just whoosh whoosh. Oh, hear those birds, listen to those birds, and I come up the water. Hey, the birds going quiet. Hey, what kind of birds are these? Anyway, if you want to hear the birds, you can go back and listen to the birds. What's wrong with them? But they still have, I think they call this basso. You know, I need to stop making up stuff. I think it's basso plato. Maybe right. Maybe right. I'm checking it right now as I'm talking to you. Because no one tells me what things are. And the end of the cool that I just go and just drive into people's face. No, there's no need. But yeah, when I get to the village, the old man did tell me the name of the village. So as the village get along, as the video get along, you will see you will hear the name of the village. And maybe by that time I'll put in the description. I don't know. As you can tell, it's a voiceover. And look at this. This is nice. Look at that big house. That's a big house, you know, in the middle of the forest. That house that was on my right. It's not all gloom and doom and people thinking, oh, it's the end of the world. A few puddles won't kill you, but these puddles are better than potholes. But the potholes will damage the crap out of your Does anybody know, you know what, yeah, when I come to the village I just ask them if they can do much care. But as you can see, it's cashew. So because all of these cashews are here on the land are more expensive comparatively to other West African countries in certain areas, because this is supposed to be a rainforest village, but because of the cashew and the family makes money from the cashew, they do price you out a bit. You know, they do price you out. But as you can see, you see on my left, there's a cashew wine in the blue zones. So if you want to, so you see more here on my left. On my left, you'll see the blue zones are cashew wine. The rain just came down on me. Yes, you see? At least the rain should have given me a notice.
There's a massive rainstorm. So I'm going to drive a little bit in a rainstorm. So the camera is going to be a little bit not so clear. So I'll drive until I get to another covering like this. But as you can see, in a rainforest, the rain just comes. It was sunny when I came in. No, the rain is here. So here we go. Rainstorm in the rainforest. And it just came down like that. Whoosh. The adventure continues. Do not forget, turn your phone to view this footage better, is to turn your phone into landscape. Well, shoot, Google landscape if you don't understand landscape. Turn your phone sideways so you can yeah, it's clearer that way. And yeah, left, right, up, down. You know the scenario. And to get it clearer, yeah, but yeah, we're back in the rain.
So yes, we're going to have more spots on the camera. It is what it is. Spots. Yes, so like I was saying, well, this rain is heavy. Heavy. Do you know the entire right side of my face is soaking wet? Soaking wet. Just from this, what was raining for a minute now. But you see, my hand is outside of the window trying to get you people footage. Ah, there goes more blue drums on the right. Some more alcohol. You can so that's another thing. You can come to the bush, get yourself some alcohol. Get yourself some alcohol and be happy. And it's free alcohol. My gosh, the rain is coming. Look, you people. I think you people need to subscribe. No, not subscribe. Pay a subscription like Hulu and Netflix and Dreamcast and all of these networks. Look at the madness I'm going through to bring you all this content. Nah, man. This is mad. You know? I am soaking wet. Well, you know what? I know some of y'all will say, well, I didn't send you there. Yeah, but I just wanted to get you the true footage of rainfall in 360. So this is how the rainfall is in the rainforest. Yeah, there's no cut and dry. There's no umbrella over the camera. You can look up and see the sky. Hey, the sky is not all brown. It has blue spots. If you yeah, so we're still carrying on. In we go, in we go. No question. Would any of you live in here? You know, would you give up your fridge, your stove? With the red dirt that you see here, you know it's fertile. Very fertile land. Even if you drop in here, it will grow. Well, if you do not know what's that, well, you would have to figure it out yourself. But yeah, look at these cashew trees. So if you need some fresh cashew, come to Guinea-Bissau, come to the countryside here. And you can have your fresh cashew and move these houses. Yes, so this is what I was saying. Would you give up? Because people here have a peace of mind. Yeah, they do not have all of the amenities that you have. But do you need them? Do they need them? What is a peace of mind? Is a peace of mind having bills every day, every month? You know, these people have an option of not going to work for a week. Can you do that? I doubt it. So yes, like this house on the left, it doesn't have the fancy roof. But I know if only they had a solar panel, which you can buy different solar panels, maybe £100. No, not £100. No, that's too expensive. Now you can buy cheap ones, because I did see some for 10,000 safer, and you plug your phone into it. You know, you'll be all right here. I would live here. I would love to live here. And I think this is where the road should have ended. But you know me, my head is not good all the time. So I decided to continue. Yeah, but the road had finished. And this is just a track now. But here we are on the track. Man, the things that I do to give you people footage. But you see, look at the garden on the left. You see the portable fence came down and they put it back together. Yeah, coconut and sticks.
This is not
So,
my road anymore. This is just hard.
So, if any of you would like to help, just come here, go to a village, and you can help the farmers. They would love to have the fancy fences, but you know, this fence they've got to repair every year. And they're doing it and they're not begging. You know? But you see all this land, they're still driving, that's one person's land. And that's cucumber, passion fruit, peas, and stuff that's in there. Yeah. The road has finally finished. Yeah. Because behind this village here is the estuary. Well, I would call it a river. Shoot. Yeah, it's a river.
Go anymore. I think that's the end. Let me go and say hi to the people. I don't think I can go anymore. This is the end of the road. And the rainforest. So. Huh? Hey, come on. Hey. Ahora foto. Come inglês? Não come inglês? Português. E come inglês?
Não, come.
A mim su Inglaterra.
Inglaterra.
Sì.
Ok.
I curi caro. Ah. Aqui. So aqui. Toca.
Ok.
Finish.
Ok.
Finito. È finito.
Ok.
Nome ne bairro.
Punta.
Non. Je n'aime pas français.
Quoi?
Je parle français un peu. Un peu.
Una pochia porque
Poco é assim? You turista? Turista?
Tuba.
No, Cuba aqui.
No.
Cuba aqui.
Vai sim.
I'm very sorry about the audio at this part because the mics, the camera has 6 mics and it's trying to pick up where I am. So being that I've got the camera on my shoulder, it's not picking it up. So I'm sorry about the audio. But basically, what's happening here, they're grilling me. 2 of them are drunk, and the one in the red hat, he's not drunk. So the 2 drunk ones, they're grilling me, asking me all sorts of questions and all that stuff. And I don't mind. So enjoy the dialogue back and forth, but the audio is not that great. I'm sorry about that. But I'll just try to give you some content.
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? No. Son inglés. Yes, son inglés. Oh. Come inglés.
No.
Come inglés.
Come televisão.
¿Eh? Ça va? Sí. Très bien. Très bien. Está bien. Patrones. Es como patrones. Patrones. Dita. Na English, sleep. Sleep. Yeah.
Français, lui là-bas, c'est le dormir.
Vous levez à dormir. Il est dormir. Oh.
Turista.
Sì.
Nyai bararga dia dia le kuna dia do lo ngala. Me kuna estou da me kuza ditu. Da. Está gosta.
Não entendi.
Por favor, o governo.
Não, só inglês.
Só inglês. Só francês.
Não. Just pouco francês.
Não,
Pouco crioulo.
Pode para que
Não, como eu vejo pouco filho.
Sim. Ok. Meu patrão. Go. Fale para mim, patrão. Se o patrão entende.
Minha filha sabe. Minha filha sabe.
Instale.
Mais dica.
Oh, é você? Abu? Yeah.
Bom, você como eu bem assim. Está de mirar para cá. Lá que eu
Papel balança. Papel? Papel mesmo, tudo de papel. Papel.
Balanda, o passa lá.
Balança. Li papel. Le bairo.
Lá.
Balanda. Ok. Nome de bairro?
Ponta.
Ponta.
Ponta de baixo.
Ponta de baixo.
Mau kan, memang kan sih aku makan dari sini. Buono bisco. A vostro turista che? Turista.
Sì.
Ok. Quella di tu vai che non sta di più. O di che testa facile. Che la fa. Ma che sta buono.
Non si può fare, un po' più curioso. Se alcun cosa può piangere.
No.
Non bisogna conservare per tenere vecchia. Poi vediamo.
You rubere. A rubere bene.
E a bosom copi. A bosom copi.
É som.
A bosom na cara.
A som. A caro.
Mais s'il te plaît, toi tu ne peux parler français.
Le quoi, Francis?
C'est ça, c'est pas bien? Toi tu es bien ici, c'est toi, tu es bien ici. Pourquoi?
Pourquoi?
Oui, tu es bien.
Pourquoi ici?
Toi tu es bien ici. S'il te plaît, toi tu es bien ici.
C'est you corre na voiture Juby. Juby, no? Yeah, Juby. Yeah. Juby.
Toi tu es bien ça, toi tu es bien ici. C'est pas ça. Encore demain, toi tu es bien ici. C'est pas ça. Toi tu es bien aujourd'hui ici. Demain le matin, tu vas bien dormir ton lit.
Demain de matin.
Demain le matin, encore.
Demain de matin. Tout matin. Pas matin.
Demain de matin.
Demain de matin.
C'est très bien.
Demain.
Demain, là, demain.
Demain.
C'est le
Ah,
demain.
demain.
C'est le demain.
Demain matin.
C'est demain matin. Quoi? Tu connais anglais là. Moi, je ne sais pas connaître anglais. Moi, français, je ne connais.
Parlez anglais.
Quoi?
Parlez anglais.
Anglais.
Yeah, vous parlez anglais. Vous parlez anglais.
Inglese britannico.
Moi, je
Quella
ne
te l'hai
connais
turista.
Britann.
Yeah, britannico.
Yeah.
Ma même qui n'a pas peur, qui n'a pas de problème.
Yeah.
C'est moi.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Moi. Moi, je m'appelle Jean Kintin.
Il faut le voir, Francis.
Je m'appelle Jean Kintin.
Jean Kinton. Ah, Jean Kinton. Okay. See?
Alors, ça va.
Entende.
On t'aime.
Patron, help me, patron. Patron. Hey. Hey. Punto bas. Yeah. Punto bas, sabe?
Una birita, Ju.
Cacho? Não.
Toi, je sais pas quoi.
O cacho vinho?
Hã?
Cacho vinho? Vinho ou vinho?
Yeah, sure.
Vinho. Ah, não.
Una
Toi, je
birita.
sais pas quoi.
No álcool, no fume, nada.
Pero ya la voy a marcar, no es un film. Pero nada.
Il a una tata.
Huh?
La io se la sei la auto te.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Lei chi la c'è? Si mi appicca lui.
No. Mira.
Ma kuna prima appicca lui. Lei dopo là. E uta va. Turista.
Ah.
Tu sei problema. E bom. Una la veste di lei.
Turista.
Turista. E bom.
Turista é bom.
E bom. Amigo, já
Il a eu le béridon.
Wow.
Il a eu le béridon.
C'est la vissola.
Huh?
C'est la vissola.
Bissau. That was tense, but we're all black people. How am I going to get out of here now? Okay. I have to figure out how am I going to get up here. Up here? Okay. She. Yes. So You see? It's not a fake rainforest. This is a real forest. Oui, mon ami.
Mais toi, tu allais retourner voir ma jeune là-bas, c'est pas ça.
Hein?
Toi, tu allais retourner voir la maison.
Ma maison.
Toi, tu allais retourner ici. Toi, tu allais voir la maison.
Vos maisons.
Non, c'est ma maison, c'est toi.
Oh, mon maison. Oh. Ok. Retourner.
Non, moi, c'est pas vrai là-bas. Moi, maintenant, il est ici.
Hein?
S'il te plaît, donne-moi 500, patron. Toi, tu m'appelles.
500?
Francs. 500.
Oh, 500 francs.
C'est très bien. Toi, tu connais pas le bien français. Toi, tu connais pas le français. Pourquoi tu veux... Non, c'est pas possible. Mais toi, tu connais français très bien. Hein?
Non, français.
Pourquoi?
Angleterre. English.
Anglais là-bas.
Anglais.
Moi, je ne connais pas anglais, c'est le français. C'est venu.
Vous parlez français bon.
Toi, c'est pas bien, toi. Toi, c'est pas bien, toi. Toi, c'est pas bien. Non, c'est pas possible. Non. Non,
Hein?
c'est pas possible. Toi, c'est pas possible. C'est pas possible. Comment allez-vous, ça va?
Comment allez-vous?
Oui, comment allez-vous, ça va?
Ça va bien. Et toi?
C'est très bien, ça, c'est très bien.
Et toi?
Moi, c'est un peu.
Moi, c'est un peu. Ah, ok. J'ai...
Oui.
Yo... Omitsi, mulher para mim.
Oui.
Sim. Bonito para mim. Sim. Na Prabis.
Na Prabis.
Sim.
C'est très bien. Moi, ça connaît.
Mas você connaît?
Un peu, moi, ça connaît très bien.
Mon ami.
C'est très bien. Merci. Hein.
Si.
C'est très bien. Tu es allé voir?
Hein?
Va à maison. C'est pas grave.
Va à maison.
Oui.
Non maison ici.
C'est pas grave là-bas.
Non, votre mon maison.
Oui.
Votre. Ma maison.
Non, moi, je ne vais pas voir là-bas. Moi, je suis ici.
Non, pour vous. Pour maison. Ouais. Ah, grande maison.
C'est très bien. Moi, je le mets là-bas.
Grande maison.
C'est très bien.
Vous les patrons, les villages.
Oui, moi, je suis le patron ici.
Ah, patron.
Non, toi, c'est patron. Moi, c'est pas patron, moi. Toi, c'est le patron là-bas.
Patron. Je vais me lire.
Ah,
Si.
toi, je parle là-bas, toi.
Toi. Si.
Pourquoi?
Ami Marie mulher.
Mari mulher.
Yeah.
Kira tak cansou. Utang si pakai kira mau kata beri papel. Kira kita cansou.
Cancel.
Dá meu número.
Dá número. Mi número.
De telefone Daniel.
What?
Na Punto onde você na Bentel.
What?
Kusan tane pis na te fitte bocado.
Na entendi.
Na vai mar na bingo pis te bocasa. Pis é nesse camatim. Pis te bocasa, sim?
Oh, butene pis.
Amanhã na te fitte. Dá número só na te fitte bocasa.
Tenemos casa. Ami pis.
Bukan tak komen.
Oh, me? Oh, come pis e arroz na Prabis.
Manga figa by Mari. Ang panatira pesa manang udin keso tebra. Lamun na liga obe mo dana parai.
Butena pis.
Amanya menina saya manya.
Oh, amanya. Okay, ma. Okay. Que l'ora?
Ami oi torna isala. Dan zo numur torna tikan liga. Obe miskan obe bay tebo kasa.
Oita ora.
Di parmanya.
Oita ora ami ben aqui. Ben aqui pra pis. Okay.
No, ami kana bien. Ami na bien.
Oh. Okay.
Está bien.
Okay, patrão.
No se paga, tú se va a tener.
Okay, patrão.
No, se sale.
The drunk one is coming. I'm getting tag team. One drunk one. Ah.
Na bati dia boca caju.
De boca.
Boca, ninguém boca dia, super.
Boca.
Bocadinho.
Oh, dinero.
Digo, ya,
Yeah. Nothing dinero.
Uma guna te dinheiro lá,
Mi amigo.
Meu nome?
Ah?
No.
Mansa Bunom.
Massa de Silvestre.
Who? Silvestre. No, mi amiga na Brabis.
Na Pablo.
Mi amiga na Brabis.
Você é Pablo?
Who?
Oh.
No.
Você não bisa.
No, mi
Você
amiga.
na banco lela?
Mi amiga na Brabis.
Meu que na fa amiga Pablo.
Sì, mi amiga na Brabis.
Ok, amisa.
Ah,
Lá
sì, mi
banco
amiga.
lela. Eu vou trocar tu sabe disso.
Sì, mi amiga na Brabis. Mi amiga liga me.
Moça, Lisboa.
Ok. Amanhã una vai aqui.
Amanhã trabalha assim.
Tá.
Você na banco lela praça.
Bancole.
Uau.
Que bancole?
Banco lela na praça lá.
Bancole le passa lá.
Una sai na ba Santa Luzia.
Oh, Santa Lucia.
Uau, com Santa.
Ah, na Bissau. Ah, you say banco.
So, na kinga be.
Ah. Ok. Amanhã.
O cara fica bien com bas. Ni cachorro. Pour bebê.
Ok. Amanhã.
Eu sei. Tudo bem.
Amanhã una bem.
Amanhã bem.
Sim.
Tanto.
Ah. A nuevo.
2 horas.
Nuevo. 8, 9.
Mas tu vai subir.
Sim. Ok. Ok. Boy.
You see, this is real. I was about to get stuck and the tires kicked up some mud. So you see there's mud all over the camera. Woo. But I'm still going to give it a shot. Just don't look at the mud. Yeah, move away from the mud. Yeah, but here it was tricky. It was very, very soft in certain parts and firm in certain parts. And then I backed up and I hit something, but fortunately it did not break the back window. Very tight, very tight. It's not in a road, it's a path. Ah, see, I just hit something. Oh yeah, my heart dropped just now. You heard it crack, crack, crack. I thought the window has popped. But yeah. Here we go. Trying to make a turn. Yes, look away from the mud, look away from the mud. I'll get out, but you see I've got to come all in the vegetation to make this U-turn. It's not even a U-turn. This is an XYZ up and down turn. And the rain is coming down heavily.
Thank God. Oh, I didn't break anything. Clack, clack, clack. Oh. Oh, I have to take a piss. Hold on. So again, I'm sorry for the images you're about to see, but I've got 17 minutes on this battery. It's raining, so I'll give you as much as I can. All right, enjoy.
So, if you've made it this far into the video and you enjoy this sort of content of me driving around and making a nuisance of myself, oh look, the camera's up high now, you can see the farm on the right. Yeah. So like I was saying before, if you want to help people come here and support a farmer, just go in the village, turn off a dirt road and drive in, and you will see things that you never thought. Yeah, but if you like this type of content, let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for reaching this far, as I am driving in this rainforest to bring you this footage. It's madness. Yes, so let me know if you would like to see more of these contents of me just driving anywhere and meeting random people and talking to random people. Yeah.